Welcome everybody, Bobby Two Pops breaks on a Sunday. It is May 30th. We were breaking Bomb Box full-size helmets. We randomed up our 26 remaining box numbers. We got box number 16. Did random teams for it on the left. Teams, customers have been randomized and alphabetized. We gave you all a chance to trade. Had a couple offers, but nothing going down. So here we go. We're due for a couple of nice hits there, guys. So this is going to be one of them, if I'm not mistaken. Bam! Well, that is going to be the Atlanta spot, folks, with the Neon Dion F7, folks. She's a beautiful looking helmet in person. She's got the flat finish on it, Beckett card and certification. Beautiful Deion Sanders. Strip back on. There we go. Beautiful Deion Sanders. Well, that is going to be a Nick's spot, guys. Nick's first hit in a while there. I just want to show that. I don't know why it's looking so spotty, but the SIG is perfect, guys. It's back a little bit, seems to look a little spotty there, but as you can see, guys, the SIG is perfect. Nothing wrong with that, baby. But just gonna double check. Yes, sir, that is gonna be Nick's. Nick is not hit in a while there, guys. Nice hit for you, Nick. Still got lots of big boys left, folks. Back in the box, we'll run your qualifier. Yeah, sorry, Drew. All right, we're going to pull Nick out. Nick. All right, so Nick cannot qualify. All right, we get a 9 on our golden ticket qualifier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 times. I got Hawk and Larry going to be our qualifiers. That is 8586, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, and Facebook, along with Twitch. 8 p.m. Central. Whoops. Sorry, that's what I meant to turn off. 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops break. Stop by and join us.